Section 250.31 covers the main bonding jumper. 250.31 discusses the location of the main bonding jumper. A main bonding jumper shall be installed at one point only. It shall be located where the service enters the premises and shall be either 1, in or on the service disconnecting means enclosure, or 2, as close as practicable to the service disconnecting means enclosure. Exception 1 allows for certain conditions. As allowed in 250.30 at 2 and 3, a main bonding jumper shall be installed at the service disconnecting means enclosure and at the grounding electrode system. The interpretation of exception 1 is generally correct. It allows for the installation of a main bonding jumper at both the service disconnecting means enclosure and the grounding electrode system. However, there are specific requirements that must be met. Firstly, a single grounded conductor requirement must be observed. Only one grounded conductor shall be installed between the transformer and the first disconnect. Secondly, there should be no grounding conductor installed between the transformer and the first disconnect. Thirdly, broken raceway continuity is required. If a conducting raceway is used, its continuity must be broken to prevent the creation of a parallel path for grounded conductor current. In other words, exception 1 allows for bonding at 2 points, but it ensures that there is no parallel path for grounded conductor current and that there is only one grounded conductor installed between the transformer and the first disconnect. This is intended to prevent excessive fault currents and maintain proper grounding protection. The practice of bonding at both points with a grounded conductor and a grounding conductor may be common. However, it is not compliant with the exception 1 requirements and could present potential safety issues. It is important to adhere to the specific requirements outlined in exception 1 of section 250.31 to ensure electrical safety and prevent fault currents. Installing only one grounded conductor between the transformer and the first disconnect is crucial for compliance. Avoiding the installation of a grounding conductor between the transformer and the first disconnect is also essential for meeting the exceptions requirements. Breaking the continuity of any conducting raceway used helps prevent parallel paths for grounded conductor current, further ensuring safety and compliance. By following these guidelines, electrical systems can be properly grounded and protected against potential hazards, thereby maintaining electrical safety standards.